In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start investing with Etoro using a simple, step-by-step guide. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your investment process, Etoro offers a versatile platform perfect for investing in a range of markets with ease. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Etoro website. It's easy to find. Just type the URL into your address bar or search for Etoro with your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll be met with a home page filled with comprehensive investing options, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Take a moment to explore the home page to get a feel for what Etoro offers and to familiarize yourself with its user-friendly interface. Next, if you already have an account, you'll want to click on the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will bring you to the login interface, where you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. If it's your first visit and you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first. You'll find the sign up option there as well. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate back to the Etoro homepage. This is the main hub for your investment activity and the starting point for all the investment tools and resources at your disposal. From here, you can browse the various markets available, check out trending stocks, or read up on the latest news and analysis. It's a powerful platform, so be sure to take your time exploring its features. Now, we get to the exciting part. Starting your investment journey. Look for the Start Investing button. This is where you'll lay the foundation for your investment portfolio. Clicking this will initiate the process, guiding you through the necessary steps to select your desired assets, whether it's stocks, crypto, or ETFs. Etoro's platform is known for its simplicity and efficiency, making the process straightforward and accessible. Once you've clicked on Start Investing, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your first investment. Etoro will guide you through the selection of assets, helping you understand market trends and performance metrics, ensuring your investment decisions are well informed. If at any point you have questions or need additional guidance, Etoro provides a wealth of educational resources and customer support to assist you. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the setup of your investment process on Etoro. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a more confident and informed investor. Remember, investing carries risks, so take your time to research and make informed decisions. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.